Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Face to Face. With me is Cruz Cardoz, a familiar face in the tourism industry. He is the head of the Shack Owners Association. Cruz, welcome to Goa 365.
Thanks for inviting me.
Cruz, what is the thing today which is in everybody's mind? सगळ्याच्या मनात कितें आसा? With this now tourism मातशें वाडलां, tourist येवंक लागल्या. But आतां हे मातशें with this new virus and all, that is a thing, lot of things in people's mind. But before we start on that, can you give us an analysis of what exactly is happened since you all have started the shacks and the restaurants and all that in the state, Cruz?
Basically, this is normal before Christmas, 1 week before Christmas, and after Christmas, New Year, there is always rush in Goa.
Okay.
आता पण एक फियर कितें जाला आता एक कोरोना व्हायरस म्युटेट जाला म्हणून आता एक फियर जाला सगळ्यांकच. आता हे विकान मातशें चडले, थोडे जायते डॉमेस्टीक टुरिस्ट जायते आहले, जायते येयल्ले, पण आता म्हाका काल दोग जाणांनी फोन केला आनी तेमी लास्ट वीक फोन केल्लो गोंया येतले म्हणून. पण आता तेमी म्हाका कितें सांगलां, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दीस प्रॉब्लेम they don't want to come, they cancelled. Normally they come in one of the 5-star hotel in Goa. So ते हांवें म्हणलें कित्याक लागून तुमी येना? ते म्हणपाक लागले, see this is new thing is come, that muted virus is come, and ते सांगपाक लागले म्हाका. हांवें म्हणलें तेंकां कितें दिसलें, म्हणजे गोवा विल ऑल्सो गो फॉर नायट कर्फ्यू. हांवें म्हणलें अजून पासून कांयच ना, दिसना म्हणलें गोंया आमचे वयतले म्हणून नायट कर्फ्यू. पण मागीर तो एक न्यूज जालो की इंटरनॅशनल युकेसून गोंयान पॅसेंजर येयले आनी ते पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्ले म्हणून. तेंय जाल्ले तेमी म्हाका कडेन. हांवें म्हणलें दॅट इज नॉट अ बिग इश्यू. सो लोक मरे कितें जाला आतां, लोक पॅनीक जाल्लो आहा. लोक थोड्यांक येवपाक जाय. आतां लोक कितें जाला, घालाय रावन बेजार जाला, पूण तांकां येवपाक जाय, पूण भियेता लोक येवपाक. पूण आयज हे सिट्युएशना प्रमाणे आयज गोंयांत इंडियन टुरिस्ट येयला, ओके सादारण येयल्ले आहा, सारके लेसूय ना, सारके चडूय ना. जस्ट टू कीप गोईंग एंड टू सर्वाइव, इट्स ओके.
But Cruz, these people who are coming now, these Indian tourists who are coming, ते मोठा आहे. बिकॉज आम्ही कितें पयलें खूब गाडयो येयल्या, DL, KL, AMH खुंयचे, बट ते मोठा येता ते आनी कितें what is your experience with these tourists that are coming?
40% good spenders. At the 40% are no, about 20% high spenders.
Okay.
And in 60% there is another 20%, about 40% very low budgeted.
लो बजेटेड म्हणजे काय म्हणना
ना काय म्हणना, कितें जाला पळय, आतां आमच्या गोंयांत तूं तर गेलो हुंय जाल्यार गेलो की ना, लोक आतां गोंय कित्याक लागून येता, चडशे आमचे गोंयांत एक ड्रिंक मेवता, बरें कॉस्टलियन ड्रिंक मेवता आनी सोय मेवता. सो आतां कितें जालां, आमचे सगळे विलेजींनी 5-स्टार हॉटेलां भायल्यान वा जावं एक विलेजीन एटलिस्ट मिनिमम 7-8 आमचे होलसेल आसतले. सो ते कितें करता, हे लो बजेट होलसेलान वयता, तांकां जाय तितल्यान ड्रिंक घेता, थोडे कितें जंक फूड घेता की पॅकेटांनी घेता, बिचार वचून बसता. सो ते तसले ते आमकां मेवच ना, म्हणजे शेकांनी पासून येयना ते आपलेच येवन सगळें घेवन येता, जेवता आनी वयता. सो 60% टुरिस्ट, 20% अप एंड डावन, बट 40% दे स्पेंड.
बट क्रूज ते आता ते ओके ड्रिंक्स पिता आणि वॉटेवर सम स्मॉल जंक, बट जेता वय ते हॅव टू ईट नो अल्टिमेटली.
नो जेता म्हळ्यार कितें आहा पळय, आतां आमचे गोंयांत पयल्यार तूं जेवपाक तुका हुंय जेवण मेवता. थोडे आतां पळय, आतां या रोड सायड ऑल्सो आतां आमची फीश करी मेवता न्हू, दॅट इज नॉर्मल फीश करी चीप न्हू. सो ते तसले कडेन जेवता आनी मागीर सांजचे मागीर आपल्यान ड्रिंक घेवन बिचार येता. आनी मागीर कितें बसले, थोडे ड्रिंक काडून दिले, मातशें थंड करून दी, तसलें आमी मागीर करता ते मागीर. आनी मागीर दुसरें कितें म्हणटले, थोडे सपोज जेवले जाल्यार न्हू, दे आस्क फॉर मिनिमम 10% डिस्काउंट.
टुरिस्ट
हय, टुरिस्ट आमचे डॉमेस्टीक टुरिस्ट.
But locals don't ask for discount, but the tourists ask for discount.
Yeah, they ask for discount. सारखे डिस्काउंट म्हळ्यार तुका आतां इवन हांवें तुका हालीं सांगलां ते भाशेन इवन आतां 40% बरे म्हणटात ते पासून न्हू तितले थोडे मागता डिस्कावंट मागता.
Okay, but Cruz, let me slightly divert before I come back on this. Yeah, last year the tourism was normal. There was no COVID, kai nalle. So compared to last time, this what was the season? This shack tourism or restaurant tourism in the state. What was the difference? Anything? Asa or now?
आता most of the hotel no they give them package.
Okay.
Yeah, package म्हणजे कितें lunch and dinner and breakfast. So हे तोरी वाल्यांनी stay to stay. So हे तोरी तांकां सगळी पॅकेज येयली जाल्यार ते भायर they will come out to eat. They will eat inside the hotel, you know. If they are coming for 4-5 days, no, they will eat inside the hotel. So they will not come out and eat in the shack. सो तेक लागून कितें जालां सगळ्या हॉटेलांनी पॅकेज केल्या आनी आयज आमकां मातशें इफेक्ट जाला बीच शॅकाक जावं रेस्टॉरंटाक. बट आतां जे कोण वॉक इन येता आनीक जे कोण स्टे कोणाची ब्रेकफास्ट एंड बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट आहल्यार ते भितर ते भायर सरता भायर येता जेवपाक.
Okay. So, but this type of tourism, so local now, most of the shacks are locals, unless they've released it to somebody else. So, Goenkaran, the restaurant the restaurant business is going to suffer in the long run if this is going to become a trend in the future. Even
Obviously.
once COVID is off.
Obviously, see now restaurant, no, they can survive on non-local people. I mean, go on. But beach shacks will be difficult because we are seasonal and we expect more tourists to come to our shack. I mean, few Goans will come to. I mean, they do go to shacks, but not like what we used to get
Earlier.
आता कितें जाला कोणाक आतां टुरिस्टान समज पॅकेज तर घेवन येयले they will not come out at all. And hoteliers will not think of shacks, no, they will think of their survival.
So what is the so that means ultimately some planning has to be done by the government. Is there a solution to this?
वेल सी आतां सोल्युशन म्हळ्यार कितें तुज्यान कस्टमराकूय सांगपाक जायना हॉटेलाकूय सांगपाक जायना तूं यू टेक ओनली बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट डोंट टेक फूल बोर्ड. आतां कितें जातलें मातशी एट द एंड ऑफ अ डे हॉटेल वील थिंक ऑफ देयर सर्वायवल न्हू. आतां आमगेलें कितें आहा जेन्ना फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट येताले दे वे कमिंग फॉर बेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट. आतां हांगा कितें जालां पॅकेज दिल्या आतां पॅकेज दिल्या म्हणून जायते इंडियन ट्युरिस्ट येता पॅकेज दिल्या म्हणून तांकां सवाय करून पॅकेज मेवल्या म्हणून ते येता नाजाल्यार ते येवपाचे नासले. सो एटलिस्ट समथींग इज देर.
But before I get into this detail of this back that 40 and 60%, little bit of explanation. Now now the foreign tourists what is the status of the foreign tourists in Goa? There are a lot of these Vande Bharat flights and bubbles and who but tourism related kite farak padla? Was there any tourism any benefit for tourism and for Goans in tourism?
बेनिफीट म्हळ्यार कितें फॉरेन ट्युरिस्ट येताले न्हू तांकां विजा दिलो ना अजून विजा दिवपाक स्टार्ट केले ना. सो थोड्यांकडे लास्ट टायमची विजा आसली ते येयल्या हय ते शेड्यूल फ्लायटाचेर. आनी थोडेशे फॉरेनर थोडे हांगा दिल्ली चेन्नई काम करतात ते थोडे हॉलिडे येयल्ले क्रिसमस येतात एवरी इयर. थोडे म्हळ्यार सारके थोडे. Otherwise, there are no foreigners. Few Russians you will see, and British.
Okay. Those who are working in India.
Those who are working in India, they come for Christmas holiday.
So ultimately, tourism as of now, kite chalu zala is the hotels have taken. Hotels are doing okay.
Yeah, hotels are doing okay. Why? Not all the hotels, but I think about 70% hotels are doing good. Especially now with this maybe 15 days.
Okay.
Christmas and New Year.
Yeah, restaurants are doing okay because people at least started doing okay because locals have started going, right?
Correct. So now shacks, no, as far as shacks are concerned,
Yeah, I was going to shacks next. But shacks are still having a problem.
yeah, shacks are still having problem, and there are less shacks also. All shacks are not put up.
Even then, you're having a
Even then,
problem.
even then there are problems. Yeah. Now, for example, Kandolim.
Yeah,
Kandolim was totally dependent on foreign tourists.
correct.
So now I was inquiring with them. They said there's no much business. Most of the shack owners, no, they're scared now.
Scared of what?
Scared of, see, if this continues, then we all are in loss.
Online loss, and then you have to pay. No, that salaries asa आणि the infrastructure
Salaries,
cost
no.
asa आणि असं ते.
आणि स्टाफ कितें म्हणटा स्टाफ म्हणटा तुमी एवरी मंथ आमी कितें करताले पयले वेन दे वे गोईंग बॅक नो वी वे गिवींग देम ऑल वॉट एवर द सॅलरीज आर एट द एंड ऑफ अ सीजन बट नाव दे से यू हॅव टू गिव मी एवरी मंथ beginning of first next month you have to pay because see now they will be also having problems at their places no
Oh.
if they we don't know their situation but this is what it is.
And also maybe they're scared, no, that tomorrow we close the shack and then if there's no business, तेका लागून मातशी भिरांत आसतली.
आनी भिरांत म्हळ्यार कितें जालें लास्ट टायम कोणाक बिझनेस जावंक ना थोड्यांनी सारके दिवपाक जावंक नासतले न्हू पयशे पेमेंट तांकां करपाक जावं नासतलो सो आतां दे ऑल्सो स्कॅर्ड नाव वॉट टू डू इवन हॉटेल्स आय हर्ड दॅट सम हॉटेल्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट पेईंग फूल सॅलरी नो तेका लागून आतां कितें जालां स्टाफाकूय म्हण भिरांत आहा न्हू इतले पयशे येता आमकां मेवतले ना मेवतले बट लकीली लास्ट टायम वी हॅड आय थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस क्लियर सॅलरीज.
Okay. But you all are getting people are coming, people have started coming.
Tourist, yeah.
Staff.
Staff, we get staff, yeah. But some people have problem. Most of them are come back because आता कितें जाला most of them are come back म्हळ्यार आतां थोड्यांक गेलो स्टाफ येवपाक सोदता पूण ओनर आहा तो घालपाक सोदनाशे
Okay.
सो शेक घायले ना जाल्यार ते म्हण येवना न्हू मागीर भियोन आपल्याक आनी मागीर येवन हांगा पोतून वचपाक पडलें जाल्यार अननेसेसरी एक्सपेंडिचर जातलो.
But now, for example, now suppose if this your shack licenses are given for 5 years now or 3 years. And
No,
what is
3
the
years,
thing
3
you
years.
don't put up? If you don't put
3
up the
years.
shack, मागीर कितें?
आमी आतां लास्ट वीक आमी एक मेमोरंडम दिला गव्हर्मेंटाक आतां सपोज कोणी शेक घायला ना न्हू ताका पेनल्टी हें करचें न्हू बट मायकल लोबन काल स्टेटमेंट हांवें वाचला तेजो स्टेटमेंट सेड ते कांय स्ट्रिक्ट आसपाना कांय करपाना म्हूण सांगलां तेमी.
But from the tourism department, tourism minister ते कांय येयलें ना न्हू.
ना ते आमकां कांय क्लॅरिटी ना सो हांव मांडे नाल्यार ट्युजडे डायरेक्टराक मेवतलो वचून
On this issue.
टू क्लियर दीस ऑल वेदर इट्स क्लियर ऑर नॉट.
And what about the fees? कितें you already asked for some reduction of fees and for some some guarantees. ते सगळें कितें येयलां?
ना फीज आमी कितें सांगलें गव्हर्मेंटाक लास्ट टायम म्हाका प्रॉब्लेम जाला म्हण वेव ऑफ कर म्हूण सांगलेली बट गव्हर्मेंटान 50% फी घेतली आमचे कडेन 50% डिडक्शन दिलां.
Excise also?
Excise no, not excise have increased.
Excise has gone up.
Yeah, gone up.
So even if you do not now excise, I don't understand the excise. Now excise, even if your shack is closed, you still have to pay to keep that license open.
No, why? If it is running, then you have to pay. Now in tourism department कितें आहा tourism departmentak आमी ते 3 years license दिल्ले आहा आमकां सो तेका लागून ते आमी पे करपाक जाय बट आमी कितें आतां सांगलां आतां बिकॉज ऑफ दीस एनदर फियर देयर इज अ न्यू म्युटंट व्हायरस म्युटंट जाला म्हूण तेका लागून आमी आतां कितें केलां म्युटेटेड जाला म्हूण आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक सांगलां आमकां घालिना ताका तुमी कांय पेनल्टी मारनाका म्हूण.
Okay. Penalty means if you don't put up the check, there's a penalty.
No, see, now they can cancel your license. No, that continuity is broken. No, so that's why they were saying that you have to pay and get your license. But हांव कितें म्हण लायसन्स घेतलें आनी हांव घालिना आनी घातलें जाल्यार कांय गिराक जायना जाल्यार स्टाफाक तुवें पे करपाक जाय. Other licenses we have done put up a check minimum 2.5 lakhs जायच. License no, without license just to put up the check.
Infrastructure. Plus every year you all have to bring new plates and all that. No, that remains of last year.
About 40%. breakage is always there.
So for to put up a normal shack, normal size shack with the bamboos and mundas and materials and everything, how much it comes to?
About new shack
New shack.
or just to
No,
to
full
put
new
up
shack. Many of them put
full
total
new shack.
shacks. Yeah.
Total new shack. You can spend even 1 crore for the shack.
No, not that. Normal shack which you have to demolish.
Minimum 8 9 lakhs are required.
Including all your in plates, lights, everything.
सगळें including yeah.
Yeah.
आता तुका कितें तुज्यान सारकें पोश घालपाक जाता जायते भाशेन शेक घालपाक जाता.
And what, for example, and plus salaries are there. So if you can't make that money within 1 year, what are you going to do? You have to take it out at the end of the season.
That's what न्हू आतां कितें जालां भिरांत कितें आतां घातलें क्रिसमसाक न्यू इयराक लोक आयलो आनी तेच्या उपरांत मागीर कितें सो तेच्या उपरांत लोक आतां आमकां खबर ना न्हू कितें जावपाचें आहा तें लास्ट टायम पळय कितें सडनली लॉकडावन पडलें आनी आमी सगळे त्रासान पडले तेश कोन्न तरी आतांय जालें जाल्यार दॅट्स वाय पीपल आर स्कॅर्ड ऑल शेक ओनर्स आर स्कॅर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट.
So Cruz, you are normally not so pessimistic, but now you're sounding very pessimistic. So what is the future of this? Because Goa was known for its shack tourism, for its beaches, and if this and you have been in this line for a very long time. So what is the future of?
No, see
tourism
the
in Goa?
fact, what our time is speaking is fact. No, I have seen this for last 1.5 month on the beach.
Okay. So what's the
So
future?
see you and I can't say what will be the future. But कितें आमच्यान आमी एक कितें म्हणटा we always expect something good, which is not seen now. आतां एक फियर आहा कितें घातलें शेक घालें म्हण काय ना पूण कितें प्रॉब्लेम कितें हाल्यां सपोज तुजें बरें चलना शेक तितून मदीं स्टाफूय धांवता. Then yeah, obviously no. See what they think to come to Goa. They come to Goa to make money. आतां कितें आहा थोडे पळय एक्सपिरियन्स स्टाफ आहा ते भरपूर पयशे करता टिप्साचेर आनी कितें आनी जर तुज्या शेकान तरी कस्टमर येना आनी फाल्यां स्टाफूय धांवलो जाल्यार तूं पडलो मात त्रासान. कित्याक आमी ते कडेन कांय एक बॉन्ड घेयना ना कांय ना हाडले एम्प्लॉय केले कोण धांवता कोण रावता कोण वी ओन्ली नो वॉट डिफिकल्टी वी आर फेसिंग रनिंग शेक. थोड्यांक कितें दिसता बाबा शेकवाले भरपूर पयशे करता इट इज नॉट दॅट इजी. आनी इवन जे आमचे डेलिगेट्स थोडे येता ते चिंता कितें बाबा शेक मिन्स यू मेक लॉट ऑफ मनी. आतां कितले जाण लॉसान पडले इवन डेलिगेट्स पासून दिसता तशें ना तें बट इवन आमगेले गोंयकार पासून जाय जाण शेकान घालता बट दे कांट रन. शेक इज क्वायट डिफिकल्ट टू रन. इट्स नॉट लायक अ रेस्टॉरंट
Where locals come, no?
या.
Okay. Now I want to go back to this earlier discussion what we were talking about. Say 1 lakh tourists, correct? 40% are low budget. So 40,000 buyer. 60,000 are left. So out of 60,000, 20% are they pay well.
Yes.
This middle 40,000 is what about? They ask for discount, break even, begin. But are they how much they will spend? Like for example, if they come a family of 3 or 4, they will spend 2-3,000 or not have one beer.
No, it all depends. If they are vegetarian, no, they will not spend so much. If they are non-veg, if they go for seafood, then they will yes. There are people who will eat better than foreigners.
But that is 20%. I'm not talking about the top 20%. No, I'm talking about the middle 40%. Middle 40%.
Middle 40%.
Alright.
Middle 40%. See now, 20% will spend money, but they will also say, okay, give us a discount. We will come back tomorrow, but you will not see them again.
Never see them again. Okay.
Yeah, but rest 20% is always they are all tight budgeted. See, they will have their own budget. No, they will say, okay, we will spend so much. We go to holiday in Goa, we will spend because see, even if you go in the village, you will get a cheap restaurant, cheaper than beach shacks. We have to keep our rate little up because we have to pay a lot of taxes and
Overheads, correct.
overheads. Yeah.
So what? Plus, now government is looking at. You must have heard the new tourism policy. They are looking at better quality tourists, better quality the
Yes.
but your share many of the beaches they have got no toilets, no changing rooms, garbage, no infrastructure. Why will a person who who's got, for example, 2 or 3 people spending 3-4 thousand rupees for lunch or dinner, why will he come to the beach when it is dirty, when there are cows and there are everybody on the to etle?
Correct. What you are saying, I agree with you, but without beaches, what we have in Goa? Where will people go? If you say if they don't want to go to beach, then where will they go?
Don't come to Goa.
They are coming because of beaches, in Goa, and shacks, because they can enjoy on the beach. They can have a day out on the beach whole day. They can have drinks close to the sitting on the beach. That's why they're coming. Otherwise, it is difficult. And now government has to look out for a way where they can bring more tourists
More
and
tourists or
of
people
course
who are going to
quality
pay?
tourists.
People are going to pay.
Sorry.
You want more tourists or you want people who are going to pay you?
No, well, see, if there are, say, what about 100%, out of 100%, 50% are spending a lot of money,
Then it's
we can survive on that.
okay.
And even 100% tourists are coming which are not spending, then what is the use?
Cruz, I have a hypothetical question. Now, see, we see lot of tourists coming to Goa. We see.
Yes.
But we see them, they carry their own gas, they carry rice, they carry cook also, I don't know if they carry, and then they'll buy. So, these are the majority of the tourists we see. Now, suppose if you are a tourist who's going to spend, you come with your wife and children, maybe specifically daughters, you come there and sit on the shack, and these buggers are sitting there drinking it. Why will I come back to your state again? Is this not the majority of the tourists who are coming to the state? What is the government
Now
doing?
government has to have some policy for that. They say, okay, this is stop, they have to stop, but where there is the enforcing authority? They have to enforce. Laws are there, but they have to enforce. Now, for example, they say you cannot drink, you cannot take bottle on the beach, you can't drink, you can't take, tourists are taking cars on the beach, but they do. Where is the enforcing authority? What tourism department will do? There should be some, enforcing authority which can take strict action. They are not doing it. And then see, आता मरे कितले आता बिचार टुरिस्टांक गेले वॉलेट घेऊन येतात, पैसे घेऊन येतात, पाकिटां घेऊन येतात. कोण करता? कोण खबर करता? कोण कांयच ना. कोण एक्शन घेता? No, that we have to put in place first.
So that that is a big and infrastructure also. No? Infrastructure काय ना मरे टॉयलेट ना काय ना.
टॉयलेट आता गार्बेज होता रे, गार्बेज मातशें क्लीन करता ते गार्बेज टॉयलेट ना ते बट आता तूं म्हणटा टॉयलेट म्हण टॉयलेट काडपाक गेल्या एनजीओ येता म्हणटा तुमी सियाचेच्यान टॉयलेट काडल्या गव्हर्मेंट कितें करतलो सांग म्हाका दे आर पुटिंग नाव जाणा मरे कोलवा कितें जाला ते कोण केस देन वॉट दे विल डू आता गांवचे मनीस तरी आडायता जाल्यार कोतले कोण आमचे कोरपाकूय आमी म्हणटा कोर म्हूण कोरपाक गेले जाल्यार गव्हर्मेंटाक आडयता कोलवा कसले त्रास केला तेंका
So what
एटलीस्ट पब्लीक पड कितें आहा न्हू पब्लीक युटिलिटीज कितें आहा ते लोकांनी यूज करूं एक्सेप्ट करपाक जाय आनीक गव्हर्मेंटाक करपाक दिवं प्रोवायडेड दे ऑल्सो डू इन प्रॉपर वे
within the law. So Cruz, we are almost out of time. So I want, in brief, what you feel about the tourism future, or in the state, or are we slowly going to kill the goose that lays the golden eggs? Cruz.
No, well, see, now this pandemic is that we didn't bring it, but it just because of this pandemic we are in trouble. Obviously, not only Goa, all over the world tourism is at stake. But आता कितें आहा आता कॉम्पिटिशन जायते आहा सो आता कॉम्पिटिशन जाल्यार ते भाशेन वी हॅव टू हॅव दोज फॅसिलिटीज इफ यू डोंट हॅव फॅसिलिटीज देन वाय टुरिस्ट वील कम टू गोवा गव्हर्मेंटानूय बऱ्यो फॅसिलिटी आसा आनी they have to promote in such a way that we get a good quality tourist. That they also have realized now.
I hope the implementation of what you're saying as aerialized cruise, it happens. Yeah, Cruz, thanks very much. This is Cruz Cardos from the tourism sector, specifically shack sector, where he's put out, besides the situation of what exactly is happening because of the corona, also that certain things that the authorities need to do so that more spending tourists, at least out of 100, at least 50 spend so that everybody is happy.
Correct.
Yeah. Thanks, Cruz. Thank you.
Thank
very
you.
much. Yeah. And keep watching Goa 365.